Hi, I'm Dr. Raja and you are watching my YouTube channel IT Tech Trends.
Now we configure our web and DNS domain name system servers configuration. And this we already deployed our topology and the devices are labeled accordingly as well. Later on, I will add another device here, you see, and we add this label also. Lab objectives are DNS and web server configuration, PC's configuration, access to PC with its name, test lab functionality. I have used a Class C IP address, and the web server IP address is 192.168.1.3. DNS server is 192.168.1.2. PCs are going to be configured. The PC1 with 192.168.1.4 and with IP DNS IP address 192.168.1.2. PC2 I will configure it with the .2 and the DNS server name. The third PC which will later on I will add with this topology and will configure it as admin and the IP address is 192.168.1.6. First, I will configure the PCs and the first PCs. So desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.4. I just simply copy and the subnet mask 255.25.255. I'm not fully configured this PC and later we troubleshoot and then we configure the both PCs. Okay. So second PC, again desktop IP configuration 192.168.5. Similarly, this PC is not fully configured. These servers are first in the first instance, I will configure this server as a normal and desktop and the desktop and IP configuration. I configure is a normal server. It's not a DNS server at this stage. 192.168.1.2 and with this subnet mask. Now I will configure this as this server first fully with IP address 192.168.1.3. So this is I'm going to be configure it as a web server. So services under the services HTTP and HTTPS both protocol ensure must be on. Now I will change the default the web page website which I have. So index.html I will change and I delete all those contents, those tags, and I will keep the main tags of HTML of the website and I will add is heading 1 the pair tag and I add IT tech trends and it's a pair tag. So I close this pair tag also. I add another the tag is for the heading H2 this time and I will add DNS and web server and close this second H2 tag also and I will save this index.html web page. Now my this server is configured as a web server. The second server I will configure it as a DNS now. So go to services. Under the services, click on DNS. And first thing which you must have to ensure the services must be on. I will give a name of my the website which I want to access from is IT and techtrends.com and this web server name IP address 192.168.1.3 and click add. This state is it added ittechtrends.com and with its respective IP address. We already configured our PCs. Unfortunately, they are not fully configured. We try to access a website from here with through our website name ittechtrends.com unfortunately we are not be able to be access this website. Host name not resolved, but we can access this website through the IP address of our web server, which is 192.168.1.3, and it will display the content of the website. What we were going to do is going to IP address. We assign the IP addresses subnet mask, but DNS server IP address is not assigned here. So I will copy the DNS server IP address here first, 192.168.1.2. Now we are able to access our website. So ittechtrends.com. You can see we can access it. Same, I will going to be change the configuration, add all the remaining configuration on this, and I will access from this PC our website ittechtrends.com. We did access it. Okay, let's perform another task. We can add another PC here, and this PC is a PC0, and I will label this first the IP address 192.168.1.6. So I will, and I'm not going to be assign a DNS server IP address. First, I will change this PC as a admin. So configure and display name, I will add this admin, and now I will configure this one 192.168.6.1.6, and I'm not going to be at the DNS server IP address here. And I can add can cable connect through the cable to this. Now what I'm going to try is I'm trying to be access this PC from or the connected those the other PCs to the network. But unfortunately, at this stage, we are not able to be access this PC. So I will go to PC1 and command prompt and try to ping with its name, which is admin. So ping request, ping admin is not accessing. Okay. I will add this PC into DNS here. I will add here is his name admin and its IP address 192.168.1.6 and add. This time this one is added. Now we try to be access this PC again. We able to be access this PC because we assigned this PC, added this PC into our DNS server. So 4 packets and received, 4 0 lost and lost 0.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and leave a comment below, and make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.